This is how to convert a video into audio on your Windows laptop. And we're going to do this using VLC. So first see if it's installed on your laptop. Go to the start menu and search for VLC. So if it is installed, you'll see it, or else open your browser and I'll show you how to install it. Once you're here, search for VLC download and then click on the first link by VideoLAN. And then over here click on download VLC, and once it's done downloading, double click on it to set it up. So once VLC is installed, just open it. And once you're here, you have to select media. It's the first option from the left. Then click on convert/save. Then the next step is to click on add and select the video which you want to convert into an audio file. So this has opened the file explorer. Just select the file which you'd want to convert. I'll take this video file. As you can see, it's 3 minutes and 22 seconds long. So it's come here. Then click on convert, that's below. After that, don't make any changes. You can see the format will now be MP3. And the only thing left to do is select the destination file. So click on browse. Then here, go to the location where you want the audio to be saved. So let's say I want it on my desktop. I'll click on it. And before you click on save, there's one change you have to make, and that's in the file name. So currently it's .mp4, and just change this to .mp3. So if you want to rename it, you can do that from here, but ensure the extension is .mp3, and then click on start. So it will take some time based on how large the video is, and it's done. It's come. And here, as you can see, this file has come, and it's an MP3. And if you want to see if it's working, just double click on it, and you can see it's just audio. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.